In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contact in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which details to enter so your invoices, bills, and reports stay clean and accurate. Start by going to Xero using your preferred web browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. If not, sign in as you normally do. It helps to bookmark your Xero login page so you can return here quickly in the future. From the dashboard, look for the Contacts option in the main navigation. This is your central place for storing information about customers and suppliers. Opening Contacts keeps everything organized, so you don't have to retype details when creating invoices or bills later on. Next, choose All Contacts. Viewing the full list ensures you're in the right place to add a brand new record, and it also lets you quickly scan for duplicates before you create anything. If you spot a name that looks similar to the one you're about to add, double-check it first to keep your data tidy. Now select New Contact. A form will open where you can enter the details. Start with the contact name. Make it clear and consistent with how you'll search for it later. For a business, use the official trading name. For an individual, use their full name. Add an email address to streamline sending invoices and statements directly from Xero. If you have a phone number and physical address, include those too. They're helpful for delivery details and formal documents. If you see fields for additional information like account number, tax number, or notes, fill them in as they apply to your contact. Notes are great for recording things like preferred communication methods or internal reminders. If you work with multiple currencies, check whether a default currency is available and set it appropriately. You may also see options for default sales or purchases settings. Adding these now can save time later by auto-filling invoice or bill preferences. Before you save, take a moment to review everything. Accurate spelling, the correct email, and the right currency or tax details prevent errors and delays. Consistency is key. Use the same naming format across your contacts so searches and reports stay clean. When you're happy with the information, click Save. You'll be taken to the Contacts profile page, confirming it's been created. From here, you're ready to use this contact on invoices, quotes, bills, or purchase orders whenever you need. That's it. Simple, structured, and set up for success. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping in Xero.